Jai Srimanarayana. 7th sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Yada yada hi dharmasya glanirbhavati bharata abhyutthanam adharmasya tadatmanam srujamyaham. Om. Every anti-Vedic, anti-social activity causes a severe pain to Paramatma, and it makes Paramatma to take a trouble to come down and fix that. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, O Sriman Narayana, I shall not do any anti-Vedic, anti-social activities which will cause a severe pain to you and which will makes you take a trouble to come down and fix it. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpatarorgalitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sayyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, because of Brahaspati's wife Tara, there the war began between Devatas and Asuras. Then Angira Rishi went and told everything to Chaturmukha Brahma. Chaturmukha Brahma became so mad at Soma and asked him to give Brahaspati's wife Tara. At that time, Brahaspati's wife Tara was pregnant. Then Brahaspati said, immediately give the birth to the baby. I won't punish you. Then she gave birth. That baby boy was so beautiful and handsome. Then Brahaspati and Soma both were quarreling each other to claim that son is theirs. And everyone asked Tara, whose son is this? She could not say it because of the shyness. Even That boy himself also asked, "Whom son I am?" She could not say. Finally, Chaturmukha Brahma called on Brahma Tamraha Ahuya Samaprakshit. Then finally he called, Chaturmukha Brahma called Tara and comforted her and then asked her, "Whose son is this boy?" Then she said, "This son is Soma, Chandra's son." After that, Chandra took that son. Chaturmukha Brahma gave a name, Buddha, to that son. Like that, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu. Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarasetravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 4th chapter, 7th sloka. Yada yada hi dharmasya ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. यदा यदा हि धर्मस्य ग्लानिर्भवति भारत अभ्युत्थानमधर्मस्य तदात्मानं सृजाम्यहम्. श्रीमन्नारायण करिष्ये वचनं तव. सर्वं श्रीकृष्णार्पणमस्तु. जय श्रीमन्नारायण.